All right, so before we get into this video, I just want to let y'all know that I'm actually thinking about doing a rating my subscribers' cars. So if you want to see your car on the channel, make sure you send any pictures that you have over to any of my social medias, whether it's my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Twitter. Send any of those pictures over and I'll try to get you in there and rate your car. It don't matter which brand it is. It don't matter what the car look like, if it's a bucket or if it's a nice car. Just send it over and I'll rate it. I just want to see what some of my subscribers are driving. I know all of you all don't drive, of course. I just want to see what y'all drive. And, if you want to participate, like I said, just send it over to any of my social medias. And, I'll get the pictures up and I'll try to get a video done as soon as possible. And yeah, man, that's all I had to say. Let's get straight into this video, bro. Hey, so welcome back to another video, man. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 40p, man. And as y'all can see, I'm back with another video, bro. It's been like 2-3 weeks, maybe, since I made a video. I think it's been 3 weeks, almost 3 weeks. Once I drop this, it'll probably be 3 weeks. As y'all can see, I got another video for y'all, and from the title y'all can see that I will be installing an Alcantara steering wheel. Now it won't be like a full-on steering wheel, it's just like a steering wheel cover that I bought off of eBay. I don't know if it's like real Alcantara, but man, whatever, you gotta fake it till you make it. But hey, we gonna put it on. I gotta sew it on and stuff. I'm not real good at sewing, I'm not a sewer, but I could do anything I put my mind to, right? Anything you put your mind to, you can do it. But, I'm not going to keep on rapping, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. Or even if you're still old to the channel, you've been here, still like this video, do what y'all do, comment below, all that, man. Let's just get into this. So here's the box right here. Pretty simple. The only thing is I don't know what to say. Got this Chinese writing on it. If you do know, go ahead and translate it if you feel like it. I Lysol it down because, with this whole virus going around and stuff like that. So, I got to keep precaution. I already opened it. Come in a nice little bag. This is the steering wheel cover right here. Then you get these tools, you get the thread, the needle, a pry tool, whatever that is, I don't know. This look like a knife, some little double-sided tape. Then get an installation guide. So we're just gonna get into it. Start into it, man. Put this thing on, bro, because I'm ready to put it on. I had it for like a week. I'm ready to put it on now. And let's get it. I finally finished the bottom piece. I got this stitching, and then did this stitching right here. I gotta tuck these in, and then I'm gonna work my way up top. So far, this took about an hour right here, so I'm assuming this should take about another hour. And yeah, man, the whole process is about a 2 to like a 2.5 hour job. Real time consuming, but so far it's looking pretty good, man. Let's just go ahead and get into this part right here, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like after. So I finally finished it. Finished it yesterday. It took like 2.5 hours, like I was saying. I did mess up on a few things, like right here. I messed up right there a little bit, and then also right here. So I had to cut it because I couldn't get it to tuck in and stuff. So I had to cut these pieces. Overall, if you don't notice this, then I mean it looks pretty good. Besides like this piece right here, I might actually order another one and just redo it, but I don't know yet because that was like 2 hours, bro, like of just stitching and sewing and stuff. So I'm happy with how it turned out. It looks good. I'm just gonna take a few pictures and let y'all see it. Okay, so I want y'all to comment below and tell me what y'all think about this. Tell me how y'all feel about the Alcantara steering wheel. I like it so far, besides the little pieces that I messed up on. It don't look too bad, but you know, it could be a little bit better. But I'm also thinking about ordering the red JDM badge to put right here, or red JDM emblem, or type R emblem, whatever you want to call it. Put it right there just to give it like a little bit more character, because right now it's looking a little plain Jane. And another thing, the last thing, I'm actually thinking about doing a rating my subscribers card. So if you want to see your car on the channel, send it over to any one of my social medias, my Instagram, my Snapchat, or my Twitter. I'm doing any car brand, so it don't matter, you know, whether it's a Honda, Toyota, Dodge, Nissan, whatever it is, Lamborghini, Lexus, all that, whatever. If you got something you want to show me, or if you want to show off on the channel, send it over to those social medias. That will be down in the description. And that's all I got to say, man. You know, y'all stay safe out here. You know, we got this little coronavirus floating around. People getting sick, people dying and stuff. You know, y'all stay safe. Take the right precautions. Wash your hands. Stay clean. All that. You know, I don't got nothing else to say. It's your boy, 40P, and I'm out.